Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change WhatsApp's font color in chat and status. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, what we first need to do is make sure we have WhatsApp installed on our phone, and we need another app called Bluewords. So go to your Play or App Store, type in Bluewords and click into Bluewords. It's got over 1 million downloads, so go ahead and click on install. And then once the app installs, go ahead and open up the app and just wait a few moments for it to load. Then you'll be taken to the start page here, and just skip out of that. You can just click on the X, and now we need to allow permissions. So we need to click on blue allow, click on allow all, and then screen overlay permission, click accept, and then appear on top. So scroll down and find Bluewords. Here it is here. So enable that and then head back and then click accept. And then we need to go to installed apps and Bluewords. Click onto Bluewords and make sure that is toggled on and click allow, and then head back again. I'm going to get back, and then it'll say click this icon to change custom Bluewords keyboard. So click on next, click got it. And now from here, just choose which font or style you want to use in your WhatsApp chat. So if I want to use this text style, for example, I want to click into it. And now if I'm just going to type in my name, tutorial, Wiz, and now click copy, and then I can go ahead to WhatsApp. And now I can paste that chat into any one of my channels or to friends or family. So for example, I've just pasted that there. So I'm just going to show you again, paste that, and then click send. So yeah, that's it guys, how to change your WhatsApp font color in chat and even on your status. So you can use this as your status as well.